We are going to do a couple of practice problems on a skill that you learned in the last lesson. After we do these two practice problems, there is 2 more videos that you can watch that are all about using the skill that we're going to learn in this lesson. But it's important that we warm ourselves up with a couple of problems that we already know how to do. So we are going to look at y equals negative 3x plus 6. We are going to graph this. So to start out with, we're going to identify our slope and our y-intercept. Our y-intercept, if we were to actually talk about it in terms of a point, we would say it's 0, 6. And our slope, if we were going to write it in rise over run form, would be negative 3 over 1. And so now we can use this information to graph our line. 0, 6, we'd find this on our graph. We're not going anywhere in the x-axis, or on the x-axis with this 0, but we're going to go up 6 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and graph that. Then we're going to show our slope of a negative 3 over 1. So that means from this point of 6, I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, to the right 1, and make a point. Down 1, 2, 3, to the right 1, make a point. Down 1, 2, 3, to the right 1, and make a point. And I can continue this up and down this graph. So I can actually start to draw a line. Cool? Cool. Great. So we've made a graph given that information, and now we're going to do another one over here. We have y equals 1/5 x minus 8. That means our slope is already written in rise over run format, which is great. We're going to have a rise of 1 and a run to the right of 5. And then this minus 8 is our y-intercept. So we're going to say that is 0, negative 8 in terms of y-intercept. So now we're going to graph it from 0, 0. I'm not going anywhere on the x-axis. I'm just going down 8 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to make a dot. And then I'm going to make my slope be known. So from this point, I'm going to go up 1, a rise of 1, and a run to the right of 5. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a shallow line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can go backwards to show this line in all of its glory. And I can now remember how to graph given my y-intercept and my slope. Cool? So I managed to do 2 lines. This unit, or this particular lesson, is now going to give us some lines, and we need to create the resulting equation that goes along with it. So practicing graphing lines and paying attention to the slope and the y-intercept very intentionally with this video should hopefully get us started in laying the foundation for what we will need to do for our next couple of videos. Thanks for watching. Click on to the next video so you can see what's going on next.